Vanakkam, Sunita here for Vastram, another beautiful budget collections of semi Banarasi with beautiful woven borders of peacocks all throughout. These are all machine woven sarees with very soft, folly, beautiful. What more adjectives you can add? That pretty. 4,300 is the price of these pretty collections. We will be giving you links as usual. You can click on the links and buy. The only request is the shipping time might differ accordingly because now COVID situation is not so conducive for shipping. Some areas are brown, blue, green, whatever, whatnot. They give a lot of colors for which the shipping takes a lot of time. Sometimes few places it just happens as usual as normal, but sometimes shipping does take. For that reason we are not going to give you any refunds or exchanges. So if you are very sure that if you're okay with the time of delivery is if it is extended also, if it's okay, then go ahead and buy these products, because it's a humble request. We're not able to handle the situation all by ourselves, so we need your support also. So the request is, it might take some extra time to get it delivered. For that very reason we are not going to go for an exchange or a refund. If you're okay with the terms and conditions of this, only this, then go ahead and click on the link and buy and have a happy shopping. Because the small products, it's really tough for us to ship it to the northern parts of the country, because a lot of restriction over there in the north, but people are so very desperate that why is it others are giving, I'm not getting, this is coming, this that is coming, Vastram is not able to give us. Is because Vastram deals with one shipper who is DTDC, and wherever those people are giving, we do it. Sometimes we have also worked with the delivery now, so please understand this is the situation. If you're okay, please go ahead, click on the link. These are beautiful sarees. Let's go in for the video now. Saree number 1 is a beautiful red and a patterny kind of inspired border, double border on the top. The whole body has got bandhani kind of prints. That, oh my, look at that, that's the whole pallu of the body. Blouse torsi, tassels have been done cute. It's a brocade blouse in black. 4,300 is the price of the sari. Let's open up the sari. Yeah, that is the entire sari for you. Amazing, isn't it? It's a semi silk, it's soft folly with a bandhani print and a woven border, and a red and black combination, golden off-white color thread woven border in the pallu. It's got pallu has got paisleys, very beautifully done. Sari number 1, 4,300. Okay, so now that's a woven border. Sari number 2 is a orange and pink combination, same patterny inspired border, a double side patterny. One side has got double border. I'll just turn the kelage part. There is a small border over the woven border which has got zari. Oh, this part is a zari woven border. This is also a zari like zari mixed thread woven border. So that is the sari for you. Pallu is grand, rich and classy. The pallu is again zari and thread mix pallu. 4,300. Very pretty collection this is. First link number 2 will help you buy. A brocade orange color blouse is the blouse of the sari. That's sari number 2. Link number 2 will buy you this. Yeah, now comes sari number 3, a nice green, teal and light green mix with a navy blue border. Peacocks beautifully woven, double border on top. Pallu is grand and beautiful. The description holds good for all the saris. This is sari number 3. The color is very pretty. Double border makes it so grand. The bandhani print of lotuses are classy. The tassels make us very interesting. Brocade blouse has to be shown. Blouse torsilalla idukku now. It has also got a brocade blouse in blue color. Blue and silver zari. This is the blouse for the sari with a nice beautiful border over here. A brocade zari woven blouse kind of. So this is sari number 3 alva. Sari number 3. Now comes sari number 4, a kind of ash and grey mix combination. Border is all the colors. I think 8 saris we have. Every single sari is so different and unique. Look at that. This print is comparatively different. The others have lotuses. This has got flowers. The same brocade blouse for this also. The borders are same as usual. That's how the saris have come this time. This is the body of the sari. It's a bandhani kind. This is a print over here, okay, and there is a weaving inside also. There is nice zari woven semi Banarasi. That's there. There's digital printed all throughout. So that's a brocade blouse in blue. This is sari number 4. Link number 4 will buy you this. Now comes sari number 5. which is a pink and nice brownish beige. This is a combination, very not so common, very different and nice. Tassels have been done beautifully. A blouse is brocade in pink, very classy blouse this has got, and the body opens up to be this. Haha, the woven borders of patnis makes it look a wedding collection. Honestly, it's so pretty. The whole body has got weavings on which prints has happened. Very pretty color. This is also sari number 5. 5. Sari number 5. Okay, now comes sari number 6. We have 8 saris. We are on the 6th sari now. This is also a pretty print. The weavings are at the border, floral motifs woven, printed all throughout. The whole body is woven. Let me show you the body design. That's the print. Okay, this is the weaving. Nice tilakam buttas we call, like teardrops. There is weavings all throughout in zari. The border is thread and zari mix, peacock's woven. Color is very professional color. This you can blouse is brocade black and silver mix. This is the right side of the blouse. That's the pallu. So this is also sari number 7, which is 6, which is very different and classy. Sari number 6, 4,300. Look at the pallu. The pallu is very rich zari woven pallu this is got. That is sari number 6 for you. Now let's show you the pallu. Pallu is very beautiful here. Look at that. That Vanashringaram concept and all has come up. Everything is woven. No prints on the pallu and the border. Only the body. Even though there are weavings, they have done a digital print also to give a different look for the sari. Next is sari number 7. Nice orange combination on an beigeish tint. Wow, this is also very nice, bright, vibrant. That was a subtle color. This is a vibrant festive color and an orange brocade blouse, which is very classy. So that is sari number 7 for you. Very beautiful. Look at the brocade blouse over there. That's a nicely woven. Everything is completely woven. The body is also woven with buttas. The only thing is the print is digital to give a rustic, rugged look, for a different look for the sari by itself. So that is sari number 7 for you. Color which is not so common. It's very unique, a color combination. If you're looking for something in within budget and a border of collection of so very different colors, then this sari is definitely yours. Now comes sari number 8, the last sari of the day. The print is the same as what it was for the first 3 saris. This is a lotus print, and the color combination is mustard and pink combination. The whole body is woven with zari buttas. The pallu is richly woven. The border is also woven on peacock. This is a Patni inspired combination, and that is the brocade blouse, which is completely woven. A definite beautiful collection. The weavings over here is never to be missed. So these are all 4,300 pretty collection. Tassels done, and sari will be shipped out immediately. It's ready in stock, because we were for a while working with like beautiful collections which we have ordered and waiting to reach us. To the weavers picks, but the reaching of the product was the biggest time taker, and really we had a lot of problems regarding that. As I always told you, there will be some shipping delays. These are very much available with us because we are making the videos. So then might be if that area is not having a shipping problem, or something, there might be a delay. It's all settled for now, but just because I'm doing a video after a couple of months, I really wanted to tell you also. With this beautiful sari set of 7-8 saris, we'll close up with this Banarasi semi Banarasi brocade sari, 4,300. 8 links will be given for you. You can click on the link and buy these pretty collections and make them yours. Happy shopping. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, likes, subscribe and share. That's a humble request always. Happy shopping.